How to use lockdown mode on your iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on the privacy and security option you see there. Now in this particular interface, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for lockdown mode. Tap on that and then go ahead and tap on the turn on lockdown mode option you see there. Lockdown mode is a security feature designed to protect you from highly sophisticated attacks like spyware targeting journalists, activists, or high-risk users. So simply go through the guidelines shown on the screen and then tap on the turn on lockdown mode option you see there, and then tap on the turn on and restart option you see there, and with this your iPhone will restart and will be set to lockdown mode. So this was about how you can use lockdown mode on iPhone or iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.